So my name is Dr. Asim. I'm the medical director of ISSCA Aesthetic Clinic. I practice there as aesthetic doctor, and I really want to upgrade my information, my knowledge, and nothing beats than ISSCA, which really gives me heads up when it comes to all the new information. And from yesterday's experience and today's practicals, I know for a fact that I'm quite leading ahead in my field.
Hi, I'm Gwyneth Stephanie Ibon Berzon. Stephanie, I'm from the Philippines, and I am very delighted to attend ISSCA and for their really extensive research about stem cell therapy. And I'm just really glad that they're making an effort to apply this not only for athletes, but also for beauty, but at the same time for cancer treatment as well. So it's been a delighted experience all in all.
I'm Dr. Edward Park. I'm from Los Angeles, California, and I decided to fly out to this conference just last weekend. I'm having a great time. Speakers are amazing, very diverse, and very open-minded, so thank you for hosting us.
My name is Elena Vayevskaya. I am expert in Japanese anti-aging technologies of rejuvenation. This is my second time in ISSCA conference and training, and I appreciate it a lot because for me it's very important to be in the front of science, and ISSCA allow us to be in the front row of all medical doctors in the world.
Hi, my name is Noveel Pandya. I'm from BDH Middle East and Bioscience, and I must say that it's been a very successful event so far. The quality of speakers has been amazing. The kind of information that we've been given was outstanding, and I'm really happy to be here. It was a lot of good quality information, and I hope to see this event happening next year as well.